educators, hi evaluators, hi everyone. Welcome to this channel again. Do grab a seat and sit down because we are going to be continuing with our interesting topic, knowing the purpose of examination and test. Last time we looked at teachers giving exam questions and test questions outside the content they taught their students. We got to see that doing that makes it impossible to achieve the main purpose of exam questions, the main purpose of exam, and the main purpose of giving the student test. So today we are still going ahead with knowing the purpose of examination and test, and today we are looking at the part 2 of it. And what are we going to be treating today? Just watch out. When I see the test scores, the exam scores of students, what comes to my mind at first is this the true score of their performance? Like if the students, if they wrote this exam in the normal examination condition, or were they assisted? Normally, if they write their exam in normal exam condition, the exam is supposed to show their normal ability. But a situation whereby they don't write it under the normal exam condition, you see that the exam does not show their true ability. So when I see test scores, I'm like, is this actually the true test score? Because test or exam is to show truth. Yes, is to discover the truth about the student. What I taught the student, do they actually understand? Did they actually get it? So exam and test is to prove if they got what they were taught in class or not. Now, a situation whereby as a teacher you give them hints or you help them during the exam, what are you trying to achieve? Will that purpose of exam be met? As a teacher, I'm trying to know how much of the content I taught them they now know. Then I'm still going through the back to give them help in answering the question, to give them hints in answering the question. What are you trying to achieve by doing that? Okay, you don't want to feel bad that the student fail, or you don't want to be criticized that the student fail. That is affecting the educational standard we are in. Yes, because the scores we are giving are not showing the true ability of the student. Imagine I told you, carry out a test and let me know the ability of the student, and you are telling me that this student is an A student. Then I position the student where A students are supposed to be positioned, and I see the student not meeting up to that standard. Why? Because the test score you gave me was a lie. Exam and test is not about mark. It's not about score. We have succeeded in bringing down exam to be all about score. No, exam is to know the actual ability of this student so that we know where to work on. Let me know the weakness of this child so that I can work on it to become a strength. So next time as a teacher, when you are thinking of assisting a student, know that you are hindering the purpose of exam. When you are thinking of helping a student in the exam hall, know that you are hindering the purpose of exam, and you are hindering the truth. Yes, you are hindering the truth, and you are indirectly hindering the growth of that child. Because it's when we know the weakness of the child, it's when the weakness of the child is known that it can be developed on. But a situation whereby it is not known, the weakness will remain and it cannot be corrected. So if you want that child to grow, allow the exam to take place in normal exam conditions so that the strength and the weakness of the child will be known and be worked on for that child to become a better person. So the purpose of exam is not to know the score of the student. Exam is not restricted to score. It's to know the ability of students. So if you want your student to grow, let the test show his true ability so that you will know where to work on the child, so that the child will become better in his academic pursuit. So that's where we are going to stop in the discussion today. How did you see this particular discussion, and what is the contribution you want to chip in? I want you to drop it in the comment section. Have you been assisting your students in exam? Have you seen teachers assisting your students in exam? And at that point, what did you what came to your mind. I would like you to drop it in the comment section. We are still going to continue with this series, but this is where we are going to be ending the video. I would like you, as in I would really appreciate if you like this video, share this video, click on the notification button, and also subscribe to this channel, as I'm going to be giving you as we are going to be talking about different amazing topic regarding examination and test. So till I come your way next time, do well to live healthy.